And well, in a short while from now, like we've been telling you, Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh Puri will be reaching Kozhikode and taking stock of the situation. For now, forensic teams that are at the spot examining the debris, carrying out investigations to ascertain conclusively the actual cause of the plane crash. So far, 18 people have succumbed and over 127 are undergoing treatment in 13 hospitals in Malappuram and Kozhikode. Chief Minister, Governor and DGP are also expected to visit the crash site and meet the injured. We are getting you these latest pictures from the runway where ministers and all the teams that are headed to take stock of the situation on the ground. And for the moment, I also want to bring in my colleague Shanta Shri, who's joining us live from the national capital. As Shanta Shri, a meeting that has just begun, and I believe must have begun as 10 a.m. was the time that was slated, where all the important officials were meeting to assess what had happened yesterday and what needs to be done.
Definitely, Suesha, a very crucial meeting that is the need of the hour has just begun at Rajiv Gandhi Bhavan, where we are standing right now. And yes, while the top officials, that is Hardeep Singh Puri himself, who had yesterday rushed to Rajiv Gandhi Bhavan in order to conduct meeting with DG of DGCA Arun Kumar and also Airport Authority of India Limited DG, and along with that, Aviation Secretary Pradeep Singh Kharola, all of them who were present over here, those people have actually flown down to Kozhikode in order to take a stock of the crash site and also speak to the passengers who have traveled on board this Air Indian Express flight. But on the other hand, the other senior officials are inside of the Rajiv Gandhi Bhavan and are holding a meeting and taking care of the lapses that had actually pointed by DGCA last year but has not been yet taken care of by the local authorities, and that's why this kind of a major accident couldn't be averted. The flight took 2 turns in order to land, and on the third attempt, as shown in the flight radar, that it's finally landed, and when it landed it's kind of skidded off because there was a heavy rain and it was tabletop, and that's why and the height was also at 1,000 meters, which was more than 2.5%, and then after that skidding off, it kind of fell down in the valley and it broken into 2 parts, which is a major accident in the history of Indian aviation accident that has taken place in India. So clearly a lot of questions are to be answered, and for that such important meetings need to be held, because we know that there had been complaints of stagnation of water, cracks in the runway, and also a lot of other drawbacks that were pointed, whether the aerodrome wasn't functioning, the runway 10's the wind detection wasn't functioning, the landing system was also giving a lot of trouble. So despite pointing it out, despite a show cause notice being issued by DGCA, constantly we see that there had been no such improvements, and that's why the airport, whether it will be reconstructed again, restoration will take place, or there will be a shift from there, whatever has to be done has to be decided in these crucial meetings that will follow up in the next few days. So clearly a lot of questions need to be answered by these officials, that whose responsibility is it that such a major damage took place, not only the people's life but also a kind of scarring people's life and setback to the entire Vande Bharat mission that had been successful so far.
Shanta Shri, I want you to stay on with us.